The customer reached out to me for the Oppo A83. The phone was roughly handled to me, so it was not turning on, nothing. So I have to like work on it. I was cleaning the previous gum on the phone. It was roughly the previous person that worked the phone had a lot of gum put on it. So the phone was like damn. I was working though. I have to brush it to clear some of the gum, some of all those screen particles, glasses. So that's just it. So going. I have to put the screen back so that it can work perfectly. I have to brush also the back. So the screen, that's the screen. So we have to remove the leather. This is brand new. So this is me removing the leather. Put it normal. I was struggling at this point because I was using the camera to detect where to put the flex. So now the screen is inside. It's entering inside. I've clipped it. I'm about to put the battery. Actually, the battery was so low because the battery was not working at all. You have to boost the battery. That's it. What phone do you guys use? Type in the comments. Put the back cover first before putting the rubber, so the customer can test it. What phone do you guys use? Type it in the comments. And that's all.